Hey YouTube, it's Manny. So the time has finally come. I'm actually gonna sit down and we're gonna put a custom loop in there. So what we did was we picked up, this is the Hydro Series RGB Pro White, just whole package. This is XH305i. It has everything in it, well, almost everything in it. So let me read the back off for you. We got the, it comes with a CPU water block, pump reservoir, radiator, 3 performance fans. It's got some 90-degree adapters, 8 hardline adapters. It has 6 half meter hard tubing, clear coolant, some tools, bending and stuff like that. An iCUE controller. I guess that's for the RGBs and stuff. So we're gonna set this all up. I've been putting this off for a while because I had to get another computer together because I have a feeling it's going to take me a while to do, and I still stream on the weekends. So that's going to take a while. We're also doing, I have another video coming out. It probably will come out before the big video. This video is setting up the, this is the GPU water block. So it's black. I painted it white. So you'll see that. Like I said, that video will probably come out first before this one does. And then we'll set that all up at one time. So yeah, so first things first, we'll unbox this and then start setting up. I don't know if I'm going to do multiple videos. It depends on how long this takes. I may do multiple videos if it's too long. So, alright guys, so I got my spare computer set up. It's kind of a garbage computer, but it'll get me through the weekends anyway, until we get this completely set up and ready going again. Alright, so I'm going to pull it off the wall. I'm going to start stripping it down and go from there. Alright, on to the video, boys. Alright guys, as I said earlier, this is Hydro Series complete kit basically. This is XH305i RGB Pro White. White's key because that's what we're actually looking for. So yeah, let's open this up. Box, obviously it's a nice box handle, stuff like that. Well put together. So let's open this guy up. We got 2 seals right here. 28 pieces they say. So let's make sure when I open this up you guys can see everything. Alright, more cardboard in here. Alright, so flip this top up. Just a piece of cardboard. Alright, first thing we see, first thing we see is some Corsair stickers. You get some stickers in here. Those to the side. We have our actual pump reservoir combo. Where is it? Pump reservoir combo. That's the first thing right in the dead center. That to the side. Obviously, it actually looks like each one of those is going to be individually unboxed as well. RGB Pro White CPU. Here's the water block. That's in the middle here, on the side, on my right, your left. So that's it. Everything is individually wrapped too. So these are all, you can purchase these things all separate. I believe it's actually quite a bit, you get a definitely a better value buying this kit. And this is actually the tools. So you get obviously a 90-degree bender, you get a saw, you get rubber tubing for the bending of the hard line, a deburrer, and this is obviously, it looks like a clamp. So it's bending kit. So we'll take a look at that. What else we got here? This, I'm imagining this is probably the hard line tubes. Let's open it up real quick to see what it is. Because they're half meter, sub millimeter. That would be tiny, half millimeter. These are half meters. Hardline kit. So yeah, exactly what it is. So when I open it up, it's exactly what it is. It's a half meter. So it's basically the size of the box. They're not very long. So I actually bought, I'm going to put obviously a link to the description below of this kit. Plus I also bought, it's going to be tough to see with this being so close. I bought another box of hardline kit tubes. This is a 3-pack. These are all, how long are these? 1 meters? 3 meters? Can't remember how long they are. Yeah, these are all 1 meters. These are all, there's another 3-pack of 1 meter hardline tubes. So you can see like right there. So just because this is my first time doing it, I'm probably gonna mess up. So I wanna make sure I have, you know, some backup, some extras. Just empty cardboard in here. All right, so if we, I'm gonna tilt it a little bit, right, so you guys see. More empty cardboard just sitting in there. And then this, I bet you this is the radiator. Yep, that's what that is. So nice white radiator. That's gonna look super sweet. Couple white fans on top of that. Like I said, we're probably gonna have to open all this stuff up too as well. What's in here? Oh, here's a kit. All right, so a couple things in here. Oh, this is the actual coolant. It's a big box. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. So you get, it's a full liter. So you get a liter of coolant. I imagine you need that much anyway to fill it up. Like I said, I've never done this before, so it's all new to me. We got a coolant fill bottle. All right. And then what else? Anything else in here? That's just garbage, bubble wrap. All right, here is. So in this package is the hardline. Let's just open it. It's wrapped in bubble wrap. Make sure I don't cut myself. There they are. Oh, individually wrapped. Oh, this is weird. They actually don't package them all together necessarily. All right. So there's 8 of these. These are the hardline adapters to make it tight fit, and you get 2 90 degrees. This one has 1, 2. I guess maybe it's a kit like that. So there's 4 of these, which you get 8, and 1 of these. So there's 2 packs of these in there. So, and there's another one in here. Let's verify that we actually have. Yep, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 90. So 4 of these and a 90. So we get the 8 and the 90. I don't know if I'm going to use the 90s, but we got 3 of these. This is the Corsair Q11 120 RGB fans. I don't know how good they are. They actually sell a kit, a very similar kit with slightly different fans. It's funny, it's just like the fans are the only thing different in it. So you get 3 of these. Obviously for the radiator, for the 360 millimeter radiator, and the last thing that's in, yeah, no, this is just bubble wrap. And the last thing in here is going to be the iCUE Commander Core XD. I'll have to figure out how to use this. Even if I want to use this, I may not. I don't know. This obviously has the fans and the RGB hub. I believe the software for this to control all the RGBs, but I don't know if I'm going to use this or if I just plug everything. I'll probably need. I won't actually. I might just plug the fans in. I'm only gonna have 3 fans in this. Just those are the only fans I'm gonna have in this. Remember, I have it's basically open air. The only 3 fans I needed for the radiator, so I may not even use this, but we'll see. And all right, let's get this all set up here on the table for you guys to look at everything that came with it. All right, be right back. All right, guys, there we have it. There's everything that comes in the box. We have our hard lines. Like I said, half meter hard lines. You get 6 of them. Yeah, my only issue was I was afraid that these might not even be long enough, depending on how long the loop I have to make is. Like, you know, say the radiator at the bottom, it goes all the way up to like how high the CPU water block is and stuff. So I got the 1 meter ones just in case. We have the 8 fittings, hardline fittings, 2 90s, stickers. We got 3 white fans. Our coolant, super chill. This is actually clear. I'm gonna stick with clear. I didn't want to get anything colored. We have our white radiator 360. Yeah, iCUE Commander. We have our white RGB Pro white CPU water block, and our reservoir pump combo, and then obviously the kit. So I'm gonna have to open up everything. I don't know if I should do individual. It'd be ironic enough to do unboxings of an unboxing. Who knows? We might have to do that anyway as we install each piece. All right, guys. Who knows? Maybe I'll just do a video on all of the unboxings, and then we'll do a video of installing, because unboxing all this stuff's going to take some time just to go over everything that's in it. All right? Well, that's it for now, guys. All right, YouTube, that's going to be it for this video. I know probably want to see more whatever else of unboxing. Took a very long time. It's almost a 9-minute video. It's a little over a 9-minute video now, so don't want to make it too much longer. So I think I'm going to make a bunch of smaller videos for each part, installing and stuff like that and setting up. So for now, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask me in the comments below. I'm going to do my best to answer them. If you'd like to see more content like this, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/Maniacarty, where I stream Friday, Saturday, and Sunday evenings, starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Till next time, YouTube, take it easy.